Becoming a millionaire is a goal that many people aspire to achieve. It represents financial success, freedom, and the ability to live life on your own terms. However, the path to becoming a millionaire is not easy and requires dedication, discipline, and strategic planning. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the strategies, tips, and steps that can help you on your journey towards becoming a millionaire. Whether you are starting from scratch or have already made progress towards this goal, this guide will provide you with valuable insights and practical advice to optimize your financial success. Part 1. Developing a millionaire mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your journey towards becoming a millionaire. To achieve financial success, you need to develop a millionaire mindset that encompasses the right beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors. In this section, we will explore the key elements of a millionaire mindset and how you can cultivate it. Understanding your relationship with money. Your beliefs and attitudes towards money can greatly impact your ability to accumulate wealth. We will delve into the importance of understanding your money mindset, identifying any limiting beliefs or negative attitudes towards money, and replacing them with positive and empowering beliefs. Cultivating a positive money mindset. We will discuss the mindset shifts required to cultivate a positive relationship with money, including developing a growth mindset, embracing a mindset of abundance, and practicing gratitude. We will also explore how to overcome common money mindset challenges and build a strong foundation for wealth creation. Setting clear financial goals. Goal setting is a critical component of success. We will explore the importance of setting clear financial goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. We will provide practical tips on how to set effective financial goals and create a roadmap towards achieving them. Adopting a long-term wealth creation mindset. Building wealth is a long-term endeavor that requires patience and persistence. We will discuss the importance of adopting a long-term mindset, focusing on building sustainable wealth, and avoiding short-term temptations that can hinder your progress towards becoming a millionaire. Part 2. Mastering money management. Managing your money effectively is crucial for wealth creation. In this section, we will delve into the key principles of money management and provide practical tips on how to optimize your financial resources. Budgeting and saving. Budgeting is the foundation of sound money management. We will explore how to create and stick to a budget, track your expenses, and identify areas where you can save money. We will also discuss the importance of saving and investing in yourself to grow your wealth over time. Debt management. Managing debt is critical for financial success. We will discuss how to effectively manage your debt, including strategies for paying off high-interest debt, leveraging low-interest debt for wealth creation, and avoiding common debt traps. Building and managing an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential for financial security. We will discuss how to build and manage an emergency fund, including the recommended amount, where to save it, and how to use it wisely in case of unexpected financial challenges. Building credit and managing taxes. Building a good credit score is crucial for accessing favorable financial opportunities. We will explore how to build and maintain good credit, including tips on managing credit cards, loans, and other financial obligations. We will also discuss effective tax planning strategies to minimize your tax liability and optimize your wealth creation efforts. Part 3. Creating multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a 9-to-5 job may not be sufficient to achieve millionaire status. Creating multiple streams of income is a key strategy to accelerate your wealth creation journey. In this section, we will explore various ways to generate additional income and diversify your income sources. Investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate. Investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate can provide opportunities for long-term wealth creation. We will discuss the basics of investing in these asset classes, including understanding risk and return, diversification, and strategies for building a diversified investment portfolio. Entrepreneurship and business ownership. Starting your own business or becoming an entrepreneur can offer significant income potential and wealth creation opportunities. We will explore the steps to start a successful business, including market research, business planning, marketing, and financial management. We will also discuss strategies for scaling your business and maximizing your profits. Passive income streams. Passive income refers to money earned with little to no effort on your part. We will discuss various passive income streams, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and online businesses. We will explore the pros and cons of each passive income stream and how to effectively manage and optimize them for wealth creation. Side hustles and freelancing. Having a side hustle or freelancing can provide additional income streams and boost your wealth creation efforts. We will explore various side hustle and freelancing ideas, such as gig economy jobs, freelance services, and online platforms. We will provide practical tips on how to manage your time, skills, and resources effectively to generate income from these opportunities. Part 4. Maximizing wealth through strategic financial planning. Strategic financial planning involves making informed decisions about how to allocate your financial resources to optimize your wealth creation efforts. In this section, we will explore advanced strategies for maximizing your wealth and achieving millionaire status. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is critical for long-term financial success. We will discuss the importance of retirement planning, including understanding retirement accounts, setting retirement goals, and optimizing your investment strategies for retirement. We will also explore strategies such as Roth conversions, backdoor Roth IRA, and other retirement planning techniques. Estate planning. Estate planning involves preparing for the transfer of your assets to your heirs or beneficiaries. We will discuss the importance of estate planning, including creating a will, setting up trusts, and minimizing estate taxes. We will also explore strategies for protecting your wealth and ensuring a smooth transfer of assets to future generations. Risk management and insurance. Managing risks and protecting your wealth is crucial for financial success. We will discuss various types of insurance, such as life insurance, health insurance, and property insurance, and how to effectively manage your risks through insurance. We will also explore other risk management strategies, such as asset protection, liability coverage, and emergency fund planning. Tax planning and strategies. Optimizing your tax planning can significantly impact your wealth creation efforts. We will discuss advanced tax planning strategies, such as tax-efficient investments, tax loss harvesting, and charitable giving. We will also explore tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401k, IRA, and health savings account, HSA, and how to leverage them for wealth creation. Continuously educating yourself. Continuously educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth creation is essential for optimizing your financial success. We will discuss the importance of financial literacy, ongoing education, and staying updated with the latest trends and strategies in personal finance. We will also explore resources and tools for enhancing your financial knowledge and skills. Becoming a millionaire is not an overnight success, but with careful planning, disciplined execution, and a strategic approach to managing your money, it is an achievable goal. In this comprehensive guide, we have explored the various aspects of how to be a millionaire, covering topics such as mindset and habits, financial goal setting, budgeting and saving, investing, multiple streams of income, strategic financial planning, and continuous education. By following the strategies and principles outlined in this guide, you can embark on a path towards building wealth and achieving millionaire status. It's important to remember that wealth creation requires time, effort, and discipline. It's not a quick fix or a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistent effort and a long-term mindset. It's also important to be aware of risks and to make informed decisions when it comes to investing, business ownership, and other wealth creation strategies. Consulting with qualified professionals, such as financial advisors, accountants, and attorneys, can be beneficial in making sound financial decisions. In conclusion, achieving millionaire status is possible with careful planning, disciplined execution, and a strategic approach to managing your money. By adopting a millionaire mindset, setting clear financial goals, creating and following a budget, saving and investing wisely, diversifying income sources, engaging in strategic financial planning, and continuously educating yourself, you can pave the way towards financial success and become a millionaire. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start on your wealth creation journey. With determination, perseverance, and the right strategies, you can attain your financial goals and enjoy the benefits of wealth and financial freedom. Good luck on your journey to becoming a millionaire.